what's good? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Go Weezy, coming back at you again. Right now I'm in the hospital, about to get ready to have surgery on my knee. It's been a long 2 weeks, but it's been cool. So let y'all see my IV. But it's time to blast off.
Man down, boo. Gotta go get your shoes for you.
Yeah, you gotta get my shoes. I can't even pick my leg up, so if you can vlog it for me, you vlog it for my subscribers, go ahead and vlog it.
This is what, attempt number 2? To put your leg on the chair?
Yeah.
He won't eat.
Cause I ain't hungry.
Says he's not hungry. But I got him.
I can't even lift my damn leg up.
An orange. You want me to lift it?
You probably gonna have to.
You lifted it yesterday.
I know. My damn hips. My hips gonna be strong as a motherfucker.
Damn. Hips gonna be strong than a mother.
I think I might need to take this off first.
You do not need to take that off to lift your leg.
I'm trying to swing my leg around. God damn.
Something pop. Okay, hold on. The ice pack. The ice bag or whatever it's called. There you go.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
I got it.
Oh, Lord.
I got it, bro.
Bro. That shit hurt.
You got it up there. Oh, shit.
So you get oh, that fucking water on my pants. Man.
Got it.
Yeah. The struggle is real over here, but we still working.
Talk about you want to go get some tennis shoes.
Duh, I'm a sneakerhead. I'm a shoe tuber. That's what I do.
What's the name of the shoe bag?
Air Max 1. Have a Nike day. Alright, YouTube, so my girl came back with them things. Got them things sitting on them things. So let's go ahead and get into this review. Now, if you aren't subbed to the channel, make sure you go out and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I'm on the road to 1K, man. I got this giveaway at 1K. Got a Jordan pack giveaway. You know, you get a pair of Jordans, pair of retro Jordans, t-shirt, shorts, and some socks, man. So 4 Jordan items for the free. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. Man, y'all can't beat it, man. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. We got your Air Max 1 Nike ND, size 12. Y'all already know I wear size 12, and I gotta get comfortable because my leg is killing me. All right. So, I feel like a chicken or something. I don't know. I'm just uncomfortable, y'all. But as y'all can see, my baby already opened them things up for me. But these things came individually wrapped like sub sandwiches, or as the people up north would say, hoagies. My Caucasian counterparts, I only know them to say hoagies. My up top Caucasian counterparts, which is cool, you know. It's a little hoagie or a sub. All right, now, when I saw these things online, I already knew off top that I needed these. These are dope. Like, this is a dope colorway in the Air Max 1. Also, I'm waiting on the all blue Air Max 1s. Those all blue Air Max 1s are tough. Y'all already know I love blue. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, along the sole, you got your space purple, your turquoise, and your coral. I don't know if I forgot if it was peach coral or bleach coral, one of them. So you got that going along the sole. Then along the midsole, you got white along with the window air bubble. You got this suede. This suede on the upper is kind of cheap. This black part right here, it feels kind of cheap. Matter of fact, even the coral part and the swoosh feel kind of cheap, but nonetheless, I like it. I feel like I could do so many things with this sneaker because of the color, man. Like all my polo shirts, I got like some tropical color polo shirts. Some people call them fruity, like Young Dro. I'm just gonna go ahead and say tropical because ain't nothing fruity about gold. I'm sorry. All right, but like I said, once again, you got your coral, got your black swoosh, and you got your space purple along the lining of it. Now on the tongue, you got your Nike motto on your Air Maxes because March is Air Max month. Have a Nike day, man. And like I said, I just feel like I can do so many things with this sneaker, man. And that's what I'm starting to realize. Like instead of just buying sneakers just to buy them, you know, I got a couple outfits or stuff I could put together, or as Feats and Treats would say, drip. My drip gonna be something serious, you feel me? I don't be caring about no drip though, man. I just care about looking good. But anyway, man, you got your Nike, have a Nike day, smiley face. This is a lace lock. I thought it was a pin at first, but it's a lace lock, which is cool. And then on the back of that thing, back that thing up, or that ain't. You got your Nike smiley face on this joint, man. You feel me? I am loving this. Like I said, this is one of the better Nike Air Max 1 colorway. I got my OG Air Maxes at my crib. I think I wore those when I was in New York. I only wore those like one time. But this one is definitely gonna get a lot of wear. Once I hit 100%, once I start back walking, it'll definitely be springtime or summertime by then. And y'all know it'll be spring and summertime colors. Matter of fact, it's a Easter color. So, but anyway, man, I definitely can't wait to wear these, man. Really can't wait to wear these. All right. Shout out to my girl for going and trying to vlog. She's been watching me, but she ain't been watching me enough because I ain't been vlogging enough. But anyway, man, shout out to my baby for going to the mall and getting these. She said she forgot to record at Foot Locker. And I know some Foot Lockers don't allow you to record, but I told her it's all good, man. It's all right. She did her thing. Y'all go ahead and give her a round of applause, you feel me? Now, all right, so one of my boys on YouTube, who I met on YouTube, he actually sent me something for Christmas. And like I said, I don't go home like that to Springfield. That's my little small hometown in South Carolina called Springfield. We only got one traffic light, but I represent Springfield to the fullest, you feel me? So he kept hitting me up, he was like, man, you went and got that package yet? And I'm like, man, I ain't even been home, dog. But let me go ahead. I finally got a chance to go home while I'm hurt, because my mom ain't want me in Charlotte by myself, so I've been kicking it at my old lady crib. I'm ready to get back to my house. All right. Do not open until Christmas. Make a YouTube video about it. So shout out to my boy, me and my kicks, man. Hey, it's way after Christmas, you feel me? I gotta teach you how to rap too, man. Nah, this is good rapping. This is good rapping. All right, let's see what we got up in this thing, you feel me? That was some good rapping, man. It took me a while to learn how to wrap gifts. I always like let the store wrap gifts, so whenever they do that joint, tearing up the box, cause who gives a frick about a box? Yo, okay, got the Chicago Bulls beanie. I like it. Going on my kicks, man, in the wintertime, so I definitely will be wearing this. Y'all know I'm real big on like the Nike Tech fleece, and I always wear my little beanies. So hey, man, this look a little small for my head. You know, I got a big head. All right, me and my kick, shout out to you for the beanie, man. Let me go ahead and read this Christmas card. Let y'all see that thing. Merry Christmas. Okay. And they got Michael Jordan, picture with the ones. Hey, let me see you. I'm reading the back. Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated, man. Hey, go Mob, bro. I definitely got to send you something, bro. Brotherhood Scholarship Service. Hey, what y'all know about that Phi Beta Sigma, baby? That blue fight. All right, let me read this thing. May the merry and your Christmas last all year long. Thank you for being one of the realest YouTubers out there. Your hard work and dedication is appreciated. Till the next time we see each other at a sneaker event, I hope your YouTube channel flourishes and enjoy the present, frat. Go Mob, baby. If you post your gift at all, please make sure to mention me and my kicks on all forms of social media. Hey, bro, you already know, man. It's all love. You already know I got you, dog. For real. Hey, man, y'all make sure y'all sub up to my boy, me and my kicks. Like, he's one of the dopest YouTubers out there. I feel like he's one of the more underrated YouTubers out there. Hey, man, sub up to my boy, man, my frat brother. You know, me, him, unbreakable. You know, we represent that shield, baby. And like I said, brotherhood, scholarship, service, that's what we about, man. So all that nonsense going on, we ain't got time for that, man. We go Mob out here. If you part of the mob, you know what time it is, man. Go Mob. If you know what that Go Mob stand for, you already know. But, hey, man, I appreciate it. Oh, my pillow about to fall. I appreciate it, me and my kicks. Like I said, once again, I'm going to send you something in return. So I'll make sure to save your address. Hey, man, I'm definitely about to send you something, all right? Now, like I said earlier, if you haven't subbed up to the channel, make sure you sub so you don't miss out on the content, man. I'm still getting advice, so I'm still out here learning. You know, I got a little minor setback, but, you know, minor setback for a major comeback, you feel me? That's all I know, baby. Now, got this 1K sub giveaway, man. So as soon as I hit 1K, like I said earlier, I'm giving away a Jordan package that I'm going to buy myself. So whoever wins will get that package, you feel me? So shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to all my day ones who rock with me, you know, and even the new people I'm starting to rock with, man. Ron Reviews 2.0. Man, y'all make sure y'all go holler at Ron, man. Ron is the realest, you know what, on YouTube, man. And I'm glad he lets me come in on his live, on his platform. Like, it's amazing. And speaking of live platforms, I know y'all haven't seen me on Soul Search in a while. I'm kind of weighing up my options as far as what I want to do with the live on my own, whether or not I want to do it or whether or not I just want to be a co-host on someone else's. Who knows, man? I'm still weighing out those options, but I appreciate y'all for rocking with me and rocking with my boy Vanity and C over there on Soul Search, man. It's all love, man, for real. I was gonna address something concerning me and another YouTuber, but like I said, man, I ain't got time for that, man. I'm trying to hit 1K, real recognize real. Y'all already know what time it is, man. I ain't one to mince words over the internet because this is just the internet. Like my boy Fine Line said, it's just the internet. Like, if you ain't gonna pull up, don't waste my time. You feel me? Don't waste my time. But anyway, man, y'all already know how I do this thing anyway, because I'm all about love, peace, and any kind of beef. We put some chicken grease on that thing, you feel me? Chicken grease straight up on it, man. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with Go Weezy, even though I'm down and out right now. But catch y'all on the flip side.